We've been gathering supplies and making some really fun Halloween decorations for our upcoming family Halloween party. Today I'm sharing a few of my favorites with you. To make this cute little light up trio of ghosts, I just used some mops that I purchased at the dollar store. I also purchased this 3-pack of witches hats and then 3 of these milkshake glasses. We started by removing the end of the mop. Once the top popped off, we used black electrical tape to hold the mop into place while still keeping the base. The only reason I used the black electrical tape is because that's what we had on hand. Really, any tape would work. Then we cut the picks off of the witches hats. Then I untwisted each strand of the mop. This looks like it took longer than it did. I set a timer and it took about 12 to 15 seconds per strand. Then I used hot glue to attach the mop to the bottom side of the milkshake cup. I used more hot glue to attach the little witch's hat to the top of the mop. Then I fluffed everything up and hot glued on some eyes. I had these battery operated lights left over from grandma camp. If you're interested in that grandma camp video, I will link it below. Then I just turned on the lights and stuffed them inside of the milkshake cup. For the miniature haunted houses, I just purchased these doll houses at the Dollar Tree. We removed the little windows and taped off the door. If you're interested in seeing what we did with these branches, come back in about a week and a half and I'll show you all of this put together and our Halloween party. We spray painted the little house with a black spray paint. And once that dried, we just popped the windows back in place and removed the tape from the door. I'm so excited with how these turned out, and I'm also looking forward to having a little haunted house village for under $5. I'm going to use these witch hats, some fishing line, and suspend them from the ceiling in my hallway where the Halloween party is going to be. Inside each hat will be one of these battery operated lights, which they also came with a remote control that I love. So the idea is these will light from the inside and just suspend from the ceiling. Don't forget to come back in a couple weeks to see these ideas along with a lot more come together for this year's family Halloween party. Thanks for watching.